If your exported videos look blurry or the file size is way too big, it usually comes down to your rate control settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to render in DaVinci Resolve and how to choose the right settings for the best quality. Once your edit is finished, go down to the Deliver page at the bottom. At the top left, choose Custom Export so you have full control. Start with the basics. Set your format to MP4 and your codec to H.264. This works best for YouTube and most platforms. Then match your resolution and frame rate to your timeline. If these don't match, your video can lose quality or look choppy. Now scroll down to the encoding section. You'll see encoding profile, keyframes, preset, and then rate control. This is where your quality is controlled. Click on rate control, and you'll see 4 options: quality, constant, variable, and constrained variable. Start with quality. This lets DaVinci Resolve automatically adjust the bitrate based on your video. More complex scenes get more data, and simple scenes get less. This is the easiest option and works well for most videos. Next is constant. This keeps the bitrate the same for the entire video. After selecting it, you can set a bitrate limit. For a 1080p video, something like 10,000 kilobits per second works well. This gives consistent results, but it's not the most efficient. Then you have variable. This allows the bitrate to change depending on the scene. Fast motion gets more data, and simple shots get less. This usually gives better quality for the same file size. Finally, there's constrained variable. This is a mix of both. It works like variable bitrate, but you can set a maximum limit so the file size stays under control. This is a great option for YouTube. Once you choose your mode, you can set your bitrate limit. For 1080p, aim for around 8,000 to 12,000 kilobits per second. For 4K, go between 35,000 and 60,000. You'll also see a quality slider. If you're using quality mode, this controls how much compression is applied. Higher quality means better visuals, but a larger file. Quick tip: if your video has a lot of motion, like driving or sports, use variable or constrained variable. If your video is mostly still, constant works fine. Another tip: increasing bitrate won't fix low quality footage. It only affects how your final video is compressed. Once everything is set, go to the top, name your file, and choose where to save it. Click Add to Render Queue, then hit Render All on the right. That's it. Your video will export with the settings you chose. If this helped, subscribe for more simple and practical tutorials.